Hi, welcome to my luxury beauty channel, Sharvonique Renee. I'm Renee, and this has been an exercise in patience and persistence. I have the Pink Pearl Météorites from the Guerlain Spring 2021 collection Pearl Glow. I purchased all the pieces from the collection when it first launched, except for this one, because the Pink Pearl Météorites were not available in the US. So I had to hunt it down. And I was able to find it at feelunique.com. I placed my order for it in February. It arrived in 3 weeks. So it was delivered in March. And again, I'm just now able to film it because of my schedule. I had really wanted to get the Pink Pearl shade because I was really curious how it would look on my skin tone. That's what the pearls look like. Some of the pearls, as you can see, have become crushed. But that's okay, that just makes it easier to pick up the powder. And all of Guerlain's Météorites have a lovely violet fragrance. Let's swatch it. It will have a pink tint to it. It's meant to be sheer and illuminate your skin. It's not meant to necessarily be noticeable in color like a blush would. You can see right there that it doesn't stand out on my skin, but you do notice that there is something going on. That's typically what the Météorites are supposed to do. And you can see more of the pink. I will not shear it out. Now I wanted to compare it to other Météorites in my collection. This is the Pearl Glow shade that was also part of the Spring 2021 collection. I only have this here just to compare it from the collection. This, I'll just swatch directly the pearls. Oops. There you go. You can see that it's more lighter, not necessarily as pink. Now let me do the same thing. I'll just swatch the pearls directly. There we go. Now we can get, so you can, in comparison, you can see how much pink is present in the Pink Pearl Météorites compared to the Pearl Glow Météorites. This is the Perles de Satin, which was released summer 2019. I forgot that I put labels on the bottom to remind me of when they were released. You can see the colors of the pearls. And I just wanted to see how pink this would be in comparison to the Pink Pearl Meteorites. I got a good amount on my finger. Oh, wow. So the Pink Pearl definitely is more pink. But I do see a hint of pink. The Perles de Satin definitely does still have a light pink tint, but not as strong as Pink Pearl. I also have birthday candle pearls. Looks like I forgot to label this one, so I'm not sure when this one released. I think I was curious because I knew it had some pink pearls in there. Just looking at it, this will probably, my guess, will probably be more champagne toned than pink tone. Yeah, and it's also matte. It doesn't have that sparkle that the other meteorites have. And the last shade I'm comparing is Goldenland from the Holiday 2019 collection. Not necessarily pink, but more burgundy. Interesting. There you have it. The Pink Pearl Meteorites compared to the Pearl Glow Meteorites. Then we have Perles de Satin, Birthday Candle, and Goldenland. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and let me know in the comments your thoughts about the Pink Pearl Meteorites from the Spring 2021 collection. Again, I purchased these from feelunique.com. They were $55 and it took about 3 weeks for them to be delivered. I will leave a link down in the description box. Thanks again for watching. Bye.